Seamlessly track and manage your sales, inventory, and customer base with our simple, easy-to-use yet powerful point-of-sale software suite called the SmartPOS. What does SmartPOS offer you? Inventory management, purchase management, sales management, user management, accounts management, customer relationship management, reports management, offline billing, and much more. Why choose SmartPOS? Quick setup, comprehensive dashboard, customizable interface, strong security, high compatibility, round-the-clock support, and everything your business will ever need. For more details, visit our webpage smartpoint.in/smartpos billing software.